Welcome to BizzyMind's tutorials and reviews. It's now time for us to boil the rice in this pot. So we're using this pot of water to boil the rice. So you can see my gas cooker is on now, and this is my pot. This is what I'll be using to boil the rice. But first, before I add the rice to this pot, I definitely going to be adding some ingredients. Yes, I'll be adding some ingredients into this water before I add the rice. So this is my curry powder. I'll be adding this to that pot. This is my dried thyme. I'll also be adding this to that pot. And this is Maggi also. I'll also be adding this to that pot. I'll also be adding butter. This is my butter. I'll also be adding butter to that pot. And the reason for adding butter is because, and this is salt, but the reason for adding butter is because you still don't want the rice to, even if you must have washed off some of the starch content in the rice, you still don't want the rice to stick together. So this butter will go a very long way to do that. So these are the things I'll be adding into that pot before I now add my rice into the pot for boiling, because I actually want to boil the rice now. And when you add all these things to the pot and you now add the rice, you definitely have to leave the rice to be on the fire for some time. You have to leave it for some time because you want the rice to become soft and you want these ingredients to get into the rice. So you have to leave the rice on the fire for some time. So after you drop the rice, you have to filter and drain out. You have to drain out the water. I mean, you have to filter the rice from this content. So, okay, let's look at this pot now. You can see what that water has turned into now, because I've added my dried thyme. I've added my curry powder. I added. You can see that leaf there. I think you can see that leaf there. That's my bay leaf. I also added my bay leaf. I've also added my butter, and you can see I'm adding the rice now. You can see I'm putting in the rice now into that pot that I already added curry. I added my dried thyme. I added my butter and all that. So you can see I'm putting in the rice now. What I'm doing now, I want to boil the rice, and I have to leave this on the fire for some time so that these ingredients will get into the rice. Yes, by the time you finish doing this, and you have to, but when you finish doing this and you notice the rice is now soft, you have to filter the rice from this content. You're definitely not going to be needing this content.